Now we have the fourth sum of exercise 6.2 state board. Two poles of height 18 meter and 7 meter are erected on the ground. So we have this line AB as our ground. We have two poles, one of 18 meter and the other one is of 7 meter. So here we have BC and here we have AD. These are the two poles. This one is also a pole. The length of the wire fastened at their top is 22 meter. These are the tops. D and C are the tops of the two poles. So if you are going to tie a wire, if you are going to fasten up a wire, this is your wire. It is how much? The length is 22 meter. What is he asking you to find out? Find the angle made by the wire with the horizontal. Now this wire will make an angle with the horizontal. So draw DP perpendicular to BC. So this is your horizontal. Okay, we have to find out what? We have to find out this angle. How much is the angle made by this wire with the horizontal? Okay, so the given thing we write in short over here. In the figure, BC and AD are the two poles. Where BC is equal to 18 meter, AD is equal to 7 meter, this is 7 meter, this complete length is 18 meter. Okay. Wire DC is equal to 22 meter. What do we have to find out? We have to find angle CDP. Okay. Now as such, if you take the solution, we have DP perpendicular. So this angle is of 90 degree. Now these are the two poles. So they will be erect, making an angle of 90 degree with the ground. This is your ground level. Fine. So quadrilateral ADABP becomes a rectangle. If it is a rectangle, then this length PB will be 7. We do not know this length DP. We will have to find out this length DP first. Then we will be able to make up with the angle. Okay. So what we do is, here, we can find out this length CP. Why? Because BC is 18 and BP is 7. So 18 minus 7 will give you this length, which will be 11 meter. And using the relationship 22 and 11, we can easily find out this angle. Let us see how. Okay. So quadrilateral DABP is a rectangle. Therefore, AD is equal to BP is equal to 7 meter. Fine. Also, BC is equal to BP plus PC. Since B dash, P dash, C. Now BC is how much? 18. BP, just now we have taken 7 plus PC. Okay, so 18 minus 7 is your PC. So 11 meter is your PC. Now we come to this right triangle DPC. Now, in right triangle DPC, hypotenuse DC is 22 meter and PC is equal to 11 meter. Now what we do is here, therefore half DC is half of 22. What have we done? Dividing the equation by 2. So what we get here is half DC is equal to 11, right? And PC is also 11. Suppose you call this as your equation 2 and this as your equation 1. Now from 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, what do we get? PC is 11, half of DC is 11, so the right hand side is equal. If the right hand side is equal, the left hand side will be equal. So PC is half of DC. Look here now in the figure. This PC, it is half of the hypotenuse. So if it is half of the hypotenuse, that means this angle CDP or PDC is equal to how much? That will be 30 degree by converse of 30, 60, 90 theorem. Okay, so here we have PC is half of DC. In this implies, what does this imply? That angle, which is that angle? Angle is CDP is equal to 30 degree by converse of 30, 60, 90 theorem. Okay. If the side opposite to this angle is half of the hypotenuse, okay, if the side opposite to angle CDP is half of the hypotenuse, then this angle should be 30 degree by converse of 30, 60, 90 theorem. Hence we found the required claim. Find the angle made by the wire with the horizontal. The angle made by the wire with the horizontal is how much? It is 30 degree.